Hello, welcome to your first video for section 3.2. We are going to start by going over vocab. This is already set up on your screen, but I'm going to use my pointer to kind of explain it to you. Notice that you have all of your words over here. You have all your definitions over here, and you're going to end up dragging the definition to the word you think it matches with. I'm going to tell you what it matches with, so you should be watching the video to find out what goes where. All right, the first word is polynomial. A polynomial is an expression that can have constants, variables, and exponents. Remember, we're going to highlight some things. Your constants are like your numbers out in front. So 7, -3, 1, and then there's a sneaky little -1 right here. So those are all constants. The variables, those are your like letters. So X is my variable for this, for each of these. So those three are variables. I'll highlight the red. And then your exponents, remember those are your like little numbers here. So basically a polynomial is just an expression where these types of things are added together. This whole chapter is about polynomials. So everything that we're working with, this chapter will look something like that. The next definition or word is degree, and the definition is the biggest exponent of a polynomial. So remember for your exponents, I wanted a highlighter. For your exponents, you're looking at your little numbers. So we have 2, 3, and then there's kind of a sneaky one right here. So those are my 3 exponents. My biggest one is circled. It is number 3, x to the power of 3. So we would say that the degree of this polynomial is 3. All right, so your next word is leading coefficient. That's the number in front of the variable with the biggest exponent. Again, my biggest exponent here was that 3, the little 3. So my leading coefficient is going to be the number in front of x. In our case, our leading coefficient, I'm going to abbreviate coefficient because it's a long word, is -3. You need whatever like sign is in front of it. So if this had been a plus, my answer would have been 3, but because there was a negative, it was just -3. The next word is standard form. That's when a polynomial is arranged with the exponents from biggest to smallest. So if I look at my polynomial here, if I look at my example, my exponents are 3, 2. Remember, x has a sneaky little 1 there. So we have 1, and then the last one doesn't have any exponents. This is the way that your answers should be arranged, biggest exponent to smallest. So if I had something that was like, I don't know, you could have like 3x to the 5th plus 4x squared minus 2, and that would be in standard form. And I know it's in standard form because my biggest exponent is 5, my next biggest is 2, the last one doesn't have one. All right, and the last word is term. Term is part of a polynomial. It's separated by a plus or a minus. So we have one term here. We have another term. We have, I'm going to use yellow for this one, a third term. And then we have a fourth. So there are 4 things. So I think of terms as like the number of things that are being added or subtracted. All right, that is your vocab for this section. You can go ahead and move on to your next slide as long as you have like matched up your definitions and your words. Alrighty, thank you for watching.